Hi everyone, I'm Ashish Sharma from University of New Brunswick. UNB is Canada's oldest English language university. We have been around since 2 centuries plus. We have two campuses in the cities of Fredericton and Saint John in the province of New Brunswick, which lies on the east coast of Canada. New Brunswick is a very affordable province in terms of housing, living expenses, and it is one of the fastest growing provinces in Canada as well. To know more about the opportunities available in UNB and New Brunswick as a province, please visit me in the upcoming Canam Fair in September 2024 in multiple locations. Canam has been a long-standing partner with UNB, and I'm very confident of the processes that they follow and the guidance that they give students. I look forward to seeing you all and speaking about UNB and New Brunswick. Thank you very much.